Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Hisense model and firmware version in settings about so you know which update applies. Next, connect the TV to a reliable network, prefer Ethernet for stability, and keep the power connected to avoid interruption. Once done, back up any app logins or preferences you might need after an upgrade. This prevents surprises. Now navigate to Settings System Update to fetch available updates, because the update process must match your exact model and current firmware. You'll now pick the installation method, over-the-air network update or USB if the release requires manual flashing. If using USB, format the drive as FAT32 and place the firmware file or folder at the root exactly as Hisense specifies. Wrong structure prevents detection. Start the update and follow on-screen prompts. Agree, confirm, and let the TV reboot as instructed. Make sure not to interrupt power or network during file transfer, because after the update completes, the TV will reboot. Confirm the new firmware version in settings about to ensure success. Then check apps and network behavior. Re-enter credentials or clear app cache if things act up, since settings sometimes migrate oddly. If the update fails or the TV won't boot, try the USB method again with a different drive. Also, make sure to note the model and error behavior before contacting support, because that information speeds troubleshooting and recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.